Hi guys. So I'm using Screencastify to prepare this video, which gives me only a 5-minute limit. So that means you're going to have to pause when I explain an assignment or one of the problems while you're doing the assignment, and then come back and hit play again so that you can hear me go over the answers. Okay? So we're going to start with the warm-up, which is problem 4.1, different equations. You can see it here. And the question is, which of these, equation A, B, C, or D, have the same solution as equation 1? And be prepared to explain your reasoning. So pause now and figure out which equation or which equations have the same solution, and then hit play when you're ready to hear the answer. Okay, so you should have done a little work, figured out which one or ones are the same. And actually the answer is they're all the same. And here's how I know that. I don't even have to know how to figure out what x is. I don't even have to guess at what x is. I can just look at how the equations compare with each other. And if you look at equation A, you'll see that all the values in equation A are double or 2 times the values in equation 1. X goes to 2x, minus 3 goes to minus 6, 2 goes to 4, and minus 4x goes to minus 8x. And so when you multiply everything by the same number, it's just like doubling what's on each side of the hanger balance, the balanced hanger. So equation A matches. B matches because in B, what they did here was take the 2 from this side, take it away, and then in order to keep the hanger balanced, you have to take 2 away from this side as well. So that goes from, instead of x minus 3, now it's x minus 5, because you're taking 2 more away. So that's why equation B matches. Equation C is the same because we just flip-flopped sides. So the x minus 3 is over here on the right. And this 2 parentheses 1 minus 2x is using the distributive property. It's another way of saying 2 minus 4x. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2x is 4x. So I could rewrite this as 2 minus 4x. Finally, equation D is the same because, like in equation B, I just took something away from both sides. Here I took away the x from the left side to leave me with negative 3. If I take away x from one side, I have to take it away from the other also. So that makes it negative 5 instead of negative 4. So all of them match. Okay, next we have problem 4.2, step by step by step by step. Some equations here that Claire and Lynn solved, and the questions 1 and 2 are about these equations. So you're just going to look through their work and use their work to help you answer problems 1 and 2. Pause and come back when you're ready for the answer. Okay, so are both of their solutions correct? Yes. Partly, you're kind of like leaning in that direction because they're the same, but they could have both made the same mistake and ended up with the same answer that was wrong. So to test if it's correct, you take the negative 8 and put it back in wherever there's an x and solve the equation, and you'll find out that it's true. Some of the ways the steps are alike and different. So they both started by combining like terms in this step here, the 14x minus 2x equals 12x. Then in the next step, they started to differ. So this person decided to rewrite 12x plus 3 using the distributive property and then divide both sides by 3 and go on from there, where this person undid the parentheses using the distributive property and then subtracted 3 from both sides and went on from there. Problem 3, Mai and Noah also solved the equation. Yeah, there's some mistakes. So take a look at their work and see if you can find out what the mistakes are, and then hit play again when you're ready. So the mistake here in Mai's problem is that she did combine like terms, which was right. But over here in the next step, going from line 2 to line 3, it looks like she subtracted 5x from both sides. Like she wanted to get rid of this 5x, so she just subtracted it. You can't do that because it's inside the parentheses, so there's her mistake. Noah made the mistake of adding, what did Noah do that was a mistake? Oh, he should have subtracted 15x and he added it instead. So that was his mistake. We're skipping problem 4.3. You can go over to Google Classroom now and access your cool down and hand that in.